Hi everyone, welcome to FYI Friday. One of the things I try to do for myself or incorporate into my day is meditation. To meditate, by definition, is to think deeply or focus one's mind for a period of time in silence or with the aid of sound or chanting for religious or spiritual purposes or as a method of relaxation. And the reason I try to incorporate meditation into my daily routine is because it has a lot of health benefits. You can reduce stress, control anxiety, promote emotional wellness, enhance self-awareness, lengthen attention span. It can improve memory. It can help people with addictions improve your sleep, control pain or even decrease pain, and possibly decrease high blood pressure. I'm going to rewind here and talk a little bit about the stress reduction and how meditation can help you do that. So, in modern society today, we have a lot of chronic stress. What meditation does is allows us to not think about our current stressors, which allows the body to relax. And when the body relaxes, you're going to release less cortisol. And so you're going to have a positive benefit to your body all over because you're not releasing that stress hormone as much. So you might approach meditation a couple different ways. You might do a focused attention meditation where you kind of concentrate on a single object or thought, sound, or visualization. You might come up with a positive affirmation like, I am confident in who I am, and meditate to that. Another way you might approach meditation is open monitoring meditation, where it's more of a broader awareness. So you might take note of your environment or your sense of self. Some different types of meditation that I've had experience with are the sound bowl meditation. And with this, somebody is doing the sound bowl and you focus on the sound and that vibration. And it allows you to focus on that instead of the stressors in your everyday life. In yoga practice, at the end of yoga practice, they sometimes do Shavasana. And what this does is it kind of allows you to reset yourself before you go back into the real world after your yoga session. Body scan meditation. So you take note of what's going on in your body. Where are your muscles tight? Are you breathing correctly? And this encourages you to relax those areas where maybe you're feeling tense. I encourage you to check out different types of meditation. There are so many more than I just covered right there. And find the one that works for you. Give it a try. See how it can benefit your life. And again, as always, do some research. And I have a few, again, listed underneath. And have a wonderful weekend.